everyone, thank you so much for stopping by. This is Deeptima and in today's video I will be talking about Lotus Herbal YouthRx anti-aging range. I have been trying these products out for quite some time now. I basically started with their face wash and their serum and then slowly started using the entire range. So I would be sharing everything that you need to know about this range. If you're interested, then please keep on watching. Lotus Herbal's Geneplex range constitutes of 3 highly potent natural ingredients, that's ginseng, ginger and milk peptide. If your skin is dull and dehydrated, it lacks radiance and youthfulness, this is the perfect range for you, and this is best suited for people who are in their late 20s to their early 30s. In this video, I would be talking about their foaming face wash, their serum plus creme transforming day cream which has SPF of 25 PA+++, and their nourishing night cream. Aging is a natural process, but apart from this natural process there are some external factors that can also contribute to premature aging. But if you take care of your skin with the right products at the right time, you can delay the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. In my case, I noticed that my skin was exposed to excessive screen time and the radiation from that can really damage your skin. I started breaking out, and that was the time I started using Lotus Herbal YouthRx face wash. So the face wash has jojoba oil, it also has ginseng, ginger and milk peptide complex. Ginseng is known for its regenerating capacity of skin cells. It is also responsible for your skin's vitality and elasticity. Ginger, as we all know, is an amazing antioxidant and it prevents skin damage, and it also encourages blood circulation. And milk peptide complex nourishes your skin from within and it fights premature aging of the skin. So now let me share my routine and show you guys how I use these products. So the first step to any skincare has to be cleaning your face, and what's better than using a nice foaming face wash? The Lotus Herbal YouthRx Geneplex foaming gel, it removes dirt and excess oil without drying out the skin. I have dry skin and it removed everything nicely without over drying my skin. My skin didn't feel tight after washing the face. So this is the first and most important step to prepare your skin for the maximum benefit of anti-aging regime. It has jojoba oil apart from ginseng, ginger and milk peptide complex, and jojoba oil is great moisturizer and it really conditions your skin. Once your skin is nice and squeaky clean, we will move on to the youth activating serum plus creme. This is a very lightweight serum. It is very nourishing. The serum penetrates the skin quickly and delivers 10 times more Geneplex to the dermal layer of your skin, and it boosts collagen production. The creme nourishes and hydrates your skin and helps gain moisture. It is really quick absorbing. It is very lightweight. You don't feel heavy or you don't feel chip. Now I would be using my transforming day cream. This has SPF 25 PA+++, and this is preservatives free. You can use it in the morning and in the evening after you clean your face. I like to use this every morning after I have cleaned my face and applied the serum plus creme. This visibly reduces fine lines, wrinkles and makes your skin look younger. This again has ginseng, ginger and milk peptides. It is again a very light formula and it gets absorbed really fast in your skin. Now we will jump on to the evening part of this regime. Once you are ready to hit the bed, clean your face nicely with the foaming gel. You can use your serum plus creme if required, and then you can just use your anti-aging nourishing night cream. I absolutely love this product. This night cream is amazing. I would not be exaggerating if I say I see immediate results after using this. The skin looks really nice the next morning after I use it. The night cream again has the same ingredients and it is more hydrating than the day cream. It gets absorbed quickly to give you a radiant looking face in the morning. This brings us to the end of the video. This range is made keeping in mind our Indian skins, and this works perfectly fine for all skin types. You can check these products out from the link mentioned in the description box, and I highly recommend you guys to give these products a shot. This is pretty much it for today's video. I really hope you find it useful. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.